Hi, welcome to Mpofu's Daily Revisions with Dr. Mpofu, the real doctor. Today's question is find matrix P. And then just stated like that. So the first question is, what is this? Do you know? This is called identity matrix. So you must know that how do you get identity matrix? What are the circumstances that will lead you to have an identity matrix? And take note of this, matrix times its inverse is equal to identity matrix. So what does that mean? It means P and this one is matrix times its inverse, this matrix and P. So what you simply need to do is to find inverse of this one. So let us find inverse of this one. Remember, for you to get the inverse, you must say 1 over determinant and then you do vice versa inside. Okay, I'm going to show you, but I'm sure that maybe your teacher at school or if you've been studying mathematics alone, but it's dangerous. You should at least find extra lesson teacher or if you are going to school, that is perfect. Right, so now it's going to be 1 over determinant, there is going to be 3 minus 8, which is 8, so it will be 1 over 8. Right, then 0, 3 here, 4, and negative 2 here. Remember, this one looks like 23 now. It's negative 2 and 3. So this is matrix P. This one, it's the value of matrix P. And as I always tell you, there is no mathematical question that can be proved. Okay, someone is confused now. How do you get this? For you to get inverse of a matrix, you say 1 over determinant, then this and that, they exchange. And this one and that one, they change the signs. Or in other terms, you just multiply the signs that they will be having by negative, which means the signs they will change. Okay, now let us prove, as I always told you, there is no mathematical question that can be proved. If your teacher can't prove any question or any mathematical question, it means he doesn't want to prove it. Okay, now let us prove it. It means this times that, we should get our identity matrix. Let's do that. So it will be 1 over 8, then 0, 4, minus 2, 3. If we don't get identity matrix, I'm going to stop teaching from today. It means I'll be lying to people. But believe me, I don't lie to people. Mathematically, I always tell you the proper and right information. We are multiplying by 3, negative 4, 2, and 0. We can first start by multiplying by these ones. Remember, when multiplying by these ones, it's going to be like this, and 1 over 8 out. Right. 0 times 3, that is going to be 0. Then plus 4 times 2, which is 8. So we're going to have 8 here. Then we go to this other side. Okay, as I told you on the previous Mpofu's Daily Revision, that if you know the order is going to tell you the result. So this is a 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So if you say 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, when you do this, it means your result is also going to be what? A 2 by 2 matrix. Right. Now, 0 times negative 4, that will be 0. Then 4 times 0, that will be 0. So 0 plus 0 to be 0. Then negative 2 times 3, that is going to be negative 6. Right. Then negative 6, 3 times 2, that is going to be 6. So negative 6 plus 6 is going to be 0. Right. I'm doing a shortcut because if I keep on going, we won't see the down part. Right now, negative 2 times negative 4, that will be positive 8. Then 3 times 0, that will be 0. So 8 plus 0, that will be 8. Now if you expand this, or if you multiply this with this scalar, remember a scalar is a quantity that will be outside the matrix. If you expand with this scalar, you are going to see that your final answer is going, this one, 1 over 8 times 8 is going to be 1. Then 1 over 8 times 0 is going to be 0. Then the other side, 1 over 8 times 0 is going to be 0. Then 1 over 8 times 8 is going to be 1. You see that your final answer will be a what? An identity matrix. As I told you, there is no mathematical question that can be proved. I hope that you clearly understand how to solve this one. What you just need to do for you to get an identity matrix, you say matrix times its inverse, or inverse times its matrix, you get an identity matrix. I hope that this has been beneficial to you and you completely understand how to do this. Poor millionaire. Don't forget to do the 3. You should always do the 3 to mind your somu. Focus on your somu and stay focused.